everybody, Nancy here. Today we're going to be doing a no-sew Halloween dog collar. And I'll let you know what you're going to need. You're going to need your press. You're going to need your double-sided tape, a poker or a hole punch, a hair clip, a D-ring with a charm if you would like to have a charm on there, a torch lighter, your hardware for your collar, pair of scissors, your snaps of whatever color, your webbing. Today I'm choosing orange. This is a 1-inch webbing. And your ribbon, which you can find in my shop. And this is a 7/8 inch ribbon. Okay, we're going to start off with heat sealing our ribbon. Want to make sure that's heat sealed, both ends, and you want to heat seal both ends of your webbing. Then you're going to take your double-sided tape. Now I have links down below to where you can get all these supplies, but this you want to make sure you get it from where I show you to get it. The rest of the stuff you can buy it on Etsy. You don't have to get it where I get it. Okay, so we're going to take off, you just eyeball how much you need. So you're going to want to overlap the end. So from end to end, just eyeball it and just tear off some tape. All right, now we're going to add it to our webbing. So we're going to take some around the back side. Then we're going to bring it around front. Okay. Now just lay it down. Lay it down, push as you go. If you get off track, just lift it up and it can go right back down. This stuff is very strong. There are others out there that sell stuff. See how that's way too much? So I'm just going to tear that off. And just bring it around the other side and push down. Anyway, there are other vendors out there that will sell the double-sided tape. It's just not strong enough for me. For my use, I want the good stuff. So I recommend that that's what you do, is you purchase the good stuff. So now you're going to take your ribbon and you're going to start on the back side there where you ended your double-sided tape. Just stick it on there. Flip it over. Now just take off some of that and we're just going to follow it with our ribbon. Just follow it. If you get off track, just pick it up and press it back down again. See, like I just got off track there. So just pick it up, press it down. Okay. Yep. Okay. Get to the end, flip it over, tear off what's left, and just, there you go. Okay, so you've got the base of your collar right there. All right, now you're going to take your Tri-Glide, that's this one right here, and we're going to go take the ribbon, we're going to go up and then down. Okay, flip it over and sandwich it together. Okay, just sandwich it together just like that. Now you're going to take your hair clip and just put it right there on the end so that it's holding that down. Now we're going to do our first snap. So we need our torch lighter and we need our poker. And we're just going to warm that up so it gets nice and hot, so it's going to press right through there. So we want to get it close to the end, centered, and just poke it right through. See how that just went through so easily? And just pull it back out. All right, take your hair clip off, and now we're going to add our first snap. Now this is the flathead snap, okay? It's got a little point on the end. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. That's going to go on the top of your ribbon. Okay. I like to push down. And then you're going to take one part of your snap, your little press here. Now the black part of the press, that's where the flat head goes. Okay. The clear part goes on the top. The flat goes on the bottom, and you're going to push. And what that does is it takes that little pointy thing and it smashes it down. So now it's not going anywhere. Okay, so get another flat head. Okay. All right. All right. And this is the male part. See how this sticks up here? Let me show you if I can show you that. See how that sticks up there on that one? That is the male part. And that, when you're pushing on it, you will actually feel that give. And there you know you've got it all done. So the male snap goes into the female snap, and there you go. You've got your very first one done. First snap done. Whoops. Okay. Now we're going to add our loop, our collar loop. Okay, so we're going to flip it over. This is on this side. Okay, right hand side. Now you're going to take your collar loop. Okay, you're going to pass it through, take it up to the end up here. Right. Then you're going to take your female part of your dog collar, of your dog hardware. Okay, that's going to go up through the bottom, just like that. Then you're going to take your ribbon and you're going to pass it through the collar loop. All right. Then you're going to take that and you're going to pass it through the bottom, up through the bottom, out through the top, and down through the other side of your tri-glide. Okay, so now this is what you have. Okay, got your tri-glide, and you got your collar loop, and you got your female hardware right there, buckle, your buckle hardware. Okay, now we're going to add our D-ring. You want it to face you in the shape of a D. Okay, this ribbon is going to go up through the bottom. Okay, so this is what you have now. So that straight line part is underneath your ribbon. Now we're going to take the other part of our hardware, and this is the male part. Okay, and this has got 2 slots. So we're going to take our ribbon and we're going to come up with the first slot, up through the bottom, and down to the second slot. Okay, there you go. And we're going to sandwich it together just like that. Okay, so this is what you have so far. All right, now you have to decide where you want to put your D-ring. Okay, all right, so I'm going to put it like right in the middle right there. So now I'm going to put my clip here. All right, and this is where we're going to get out our poker again and heat that up. Get nice and hot. And we're going to put it right through that middle centerpiece right there. Okay, just make sure your fingers are not on the other side because you'll end up with a blister. All right, get rid of your hair clip. Put our flat head on the top of the ribbon. Push that down. Add the first part of your hardware. This is your female part. Now we got to go on the other side, the other hole. Push that through. Now we're going to use the other one, which is the male. We're going to punch that through. Press that down, and you'll feel that one give. Okay, done. snap that in. Great. All right, now you want to bring your D-ring forward, okay? And we're going to do our other snap. So bring your D-ring forward, and then take your hair clip, put it on the end there. See how it's on the end? Put it on the end. Now we're going to heat up our poker once again for the last time. Heat it up good. And we're going to poke it through towards the end there, right in the middle. Okay. Get rid of that. Add our flat piece, our flat head. Push that down. Our female. Push. Other side, flat head. Push that down. Put our male part in. Push it down and you'll feel it give. Put your D-ring up in there. Snap them together and look at, you're done. You've made yourself a no-sew Halloween dog collar for your pup. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe, hit the like button and ring the bell, and you won't miss out on any further videos. Have a great Halloween. See you later. Bye-bye.